What if I told you that in just a few minutes, you could create a stunning, professional-looking video like the one you just watched, using just a free AI tool? Sounds impossible, right? Well, in this video, I'm pulling back the curtain and showing you step by step how I created this short video clip using Hailuo AI. No fancy gear, no editing experience. If you've ever wanted to turn your thoughts into powerful visual stories, stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll be able to do it too.
So after registering your account, after signing up, you are going to get here. So click on Hailuo video and then click on create video. Now let me quickly explain this interface. Now you will see image to video. This is where you upload your preferred image and the AI will change it into a video. Now if you click on text to video, you are going to paste your prompt here and the AI will use that prompt and generate a video for you. And if you click on subject reference, it means that you're going to upload an image which will serve as a reference. So the AI will generate a particular character that looks exactly like that image you uploaded. Now, for the purpose of this video, I will use image to video. So I will come down here and click on upload an image. And then it will take me into my computer. I will select my preferred image and I will click open for the image to upload here. Now, after uploading your image, you will come down here to camera effect or this video um, icon and then you click on it. Then you come here and select any camera effect of your choice, right? Now, this camera effect is what you want your video to be doing when it is generated. Now, if you click on this particular one here, as you can see the effect that is applying. If you click on this tick up, you can see what the video will be doing when it is generated. If you click on zoom in, you can see that this human being is zooming in. If you click on zoom out, this person is zooming out right now. So for the purpose of this video, I will use tracking shot. This tracking shot means that as you are moving, the camera is moving along with you. Now, once you click on tracking shot, you will see it appear on your left hand side. Then don't delete this, just give it further instruction what you want that character to be doing when this particular camera effect is being applied. Then once you are done, you come down here and leave this one as it is. Then select how many videos you want to be generated. So just leave it at the quantity of one and then click on generate by clicking on this 30. Now I have already generated all these images. Remember that we're using the free account, so when you want to generate your own, it's going to take you some time. Now, this is the image that I converted into a video. As you can see, the camera effects are being applied and it is looking very, very beautiful. Now, when you create an account for the first time, you'll be given 1,000 credits to work with. Now, use this 1,000 credits to play around with all these camera effects, try each one of them, and then you can go ahead and do whatever you want. So you can repeat this process for all your images, then you combine them together or merge all of them into a video editing software, just like CapCut. Now, if you want to download this particular image, you can just click on this button here. If you are using a free version, it will be downloaded with watermark. If you are using a paid version, it will be downloaded without watermark. So without wasting your time, let us dive right inside CapCut video editing software.
So I'll be using my phone to edit this video. So go ahead and click on new project and then add those videos you downloaded in the following sequence. So I'll click this, and this, then I'll add it up. So first of all, I need to hide the watermark here. Alright, so what I will do is I'll click on that video here, I'll click here, and then I will come up here on the video and expand it and then draw it down a little bit to cover the watermark, I'll go to the next video and do the same thing. Then I'll go to the last one and I will also do the same thing. So the next thing I have to do is I will increase the speed of these videos. So I will click on each one, click on normal, and take the speed to something like 3.3. Go to the next one, click on it, click on speed, click on normal, and take it to 3.3, or as you wish. But this was what I did. So I will add sound to the individual uh, clips. So I will click on audio. Look at the audio right here. I will click on effect, and then I will search for action movie, and then I will search. Then so I will cut the sound exactly where the clip stops. I will click on it and reduce the sound. So I'll reduce the volume, sorry. So I'll reduce the volume to like 40, so that it will not be too loud. So I'll go to the next clip, and then here these people are supposed to be shooting. So I will go and search for sound of gunshots. So go to effect again, and or let's say machine gun. Okay, rifle sound. Okay, let me search for rifle shots. Yes, I'll add it up. So I don't want to waste your time. I will add that same sound to the next video, because the next one they are also shooting. So I'll just copy and copy, and then I will cut the remaining part by clicking on split, and then I'll delete the remaining one, and let's play it and see. All right, so like this we've successfully created this short clip. So this is just it. If you like what you are seeing, kindly subscribe to my channel, like this video, and share it so that more people can see it. I will see you in my next video.